Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's videos. Are very special, and guys, it's all morning over here. We thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, thank you so much for clicking my video. In case you're new here, subscribe, comment, share, like. The best way you can support Hello Baby Official here. So right now, I'm around at home. It's very in the morning, and down here, before we go direct to the point, I have my shoes because it stay, close to 2 years inside my house. What a crazy day. So yeah, it's a nice sport shoes. You see it right here. So I'm trying to take to the shoemaker so they can put some glue. You can see on this stuff have really messed out here, right here, even on this side here. You can see. So you see there, I'm going to fix it. And I love these shoes because even going for outing, it's a nice shoes. Oh my god, oh my god, I'll turn it there. So on these videos, I'm shooting very in the morning on Monday. I'm taking my sister to school. I can't wait to see my sister smile with her new bag. I was waiting for the long time. Mama, say hello. That's my mama right there. Hey, say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I am fine.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
And then you say morning to you.
Yeah.
Right. So that's my mama. I'm just over here to take care of my family, including my mama, because she was struggling a lot to make sure all their sons and daughter must eat. But nowadays God opened the door. I can't complain at all. Is to eat. Hey, yay! Guys, I was talking, but look at. Say hello.
Hello.
You good?
I'm fine.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Say good morning to my people.
Good morning to my people.
Hey, that's my sister. What's your name?
Martha Nyavoni.
Martha Nyavoni. You can see, guys, from school shoes, socks, dress, a sweater, Marvin. It's written here Nyaboni. Hey. And at the back, look the school bag. Mbaru kumeichafua. Here I get to. Right, look, guys, school bag. Hey. Guys, I'm very happy when I see my sister shining like that, like a rich kid. It's by God's grace, so maybe when she's going to school studying with the other rich kid, she was amongst of them, but we are not rich. We thank God for this far, so maybe one day we'll be rich. Look, maybe I'll take a thumbnail from here, who knows. So I'm gonna take my sister back to school right now. Let me check the time, because today it's a reopen day. There's no need to go earlier to school. It's around 08:23 a.m. That's my local time, so I'm trying to walk a little bit because at the same time, to escort my sister to school. But from tomorrow, I'll try my best, to take her with my motorbike. So I'm waiting at the gate. There's some errors there. So later, I'll take, the bike outside. Hey, look. Even the logo of the bag. QI, Kuwaibao. Now Martha. And Mama, she was making cleanness at the borehole. Because of the avocado trees, it dropped some leaves and flowers. So, you can't tell from here. It came direct from avocados trees. Yeah. So, we have water right now. I can't complain. Even I was wake up early in the morning around 7 o'clock. I was fetching water there take to the bathroom, start bathing. So right now, look, that is me, Anyway, so let's go walking majestically with my sister back to school. And also, my brother who studied in university, I think on Wednesday or Thursday, he'll go back to school. And in university, we need to do 18 exam, and then if you fail all of exam, you need to repeat on that class. But my brother, he failed only 2 exams, so he need to pay on that exam, and then he can able to do it that only 2, and then going to the next, like, second year, so I'm keep like pushing. So they were been charging 30 USD, that's 3,000 Kenyan shillings, so he can able to do 2 exam which he was failing. Because, man, I'm telling you, university or colleges is not an easy thing. So to do 18 exam and then you fail only 2, I think some few question, so he need to repeat on that question, and then things will be okay. So I'm not saying like, oh, my brother repeats, no, he going for the second year, but he need to sit for the 2 exam that he failed. But the 16 of them, he passed. Everything was excellent. Even, man, imagine he was removing, like, he was studying, and then start the memory working on the head, and then answer the question. It's not an easy thing. So he need to go back and resuming on 2 exam. So the lecturer was need 3,000, because per exam, if you fail, it's 1,500. If you fail all like 18 exam, you say a longer day. Either you repeat or you pay for the exam, and then we do it. But for my brother, only 2 papers, and so I think some few questions on 2 papers, and then things will just okay. Wow. The good thing about university, if you fail 1 paper, we go direct to the question that you fail, and then you answer. But the rest you have already known. The question that you failed, you go and work for it, and then you answer, and then things will be okay. So look, Mama, she was fetching water. Hey, whoa. Hey, huh? Baba ngiteranda turusiro onde ero amsi po hirira po hano man kupa mole hasu ke manto moya kwatam. Mama, how do you feel? Urusiri to po hema hano asa to ma usika uma oroche okotema como okotema igon kirarege sero robo hano. I'm telling my mama, I'm trying my best to see whether I can bring 1 rope to add on that, and then we tie it here. Chuguru. Okay, guys, because it's too late. Let me take my sister back to school. So we shall meet on the other side. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about on these videos. So guys, stay tuned. Bye. Yeah, so that is it. Hapo kuna matope, tuende hapo. Because guys, even me, I'm going to Nyabohanse, taking my shoes. Let's go, guys. Tangulia twende. Huh? Left home in good way. Heading this way. Yeah. So here in future, I'll build 2 rooms for my brother. Each brother have some room, and also extra room for my visitors or for my friend who visit my home. Yeah, let me say hello to our cows. Hey cow, good morning. What's up? These are pregnant cow that we have here. I think by September, you see a new baby. Good morning. All right. The bull one are chilling here. Look at this. Hey, what's up, man? You good? Urolo. Yeah. Okay, guys. Yeah. Leo bado. Tuende hivi. Tuende hapa. Yavoni. Pita hapa. So my sister want to use a shortcut. And when it's raining, have some water on the grass so they will spoil the shoes. Alright guys, let's go. Sometime there's no need, you know, to be on motorbike 24 hours. No. Like 12 hours, I mean, not 24 hours. 12 hours. I need some time to walk. And it's the way of making an exercise. I can't complain. You know. Look, that's how my beautiful home looks like from a distance, and also from my entire village. Huh? Let's go. So I can't wait to see my shoes to be fresh. Right, I was greeting one of my friends right there. Huh? Yeah, my sister, she was walking majestically, you know. No pressure at all. As long as, guys, I'm alive, I'll take care of my family. Those things come first on my mind, you know. Because without my mama, without all my parents, I could be not around nowadays. But it's because they're taking care of me. So I said, okay, let's do it. You know. So the owner of this land put this land at a higher price, 1.2 million Kenyan shillings. And then nobody can purchase on that price. She needs to lower the price. Oh, let's go. So guys, I think last week I was shooting the video here. People digging the trench for the water pipe. Right now it reached at this point here where you see those muram. So people think, oh hello baby, you have already started your project for your mama project. No, I don't want to lie like I'm starting and then nothing happened. Because when you see me demolish mama house, start prepare and then watch the videos, watch the series till the end. Even me, I'm still waiting, you know, I'm pushing myself. So the reason why I don't want to start right now, my brother, also I have two brothers. So one who studied in university, and then another one this year. I think they're remaining with 2 months so he can sit for the national examination. Next year also he will join to secondary school. So I need some time, guys, to save maybe $1. After 2 months, maybe I could have maybe around $3 or $150 or $200, so I can, you know, when he was joining to school, I can manage to pay the money. You know, we need to buy school uniform. By that time, we need to buy school bag, mattress, metal box, you know, shoes, so he can able, you know, to join also for him. So that's the reason why I don't want to start right now building, and then when my brother the time reach by January to join in school, there's no money. So I decide, let me keep silently, but I open a little bit. What stopped me like to start my dream house? So by the end of January, you'll see me like starting construction. Let me say automatically by February, that fast I will start. So let's go. Try to walk. Kasiro akwi. Kana ora novo safi. Yeah, guys, nowadays you make my sister to be look the high classes of the rich kid, you know. Look, I'm telling you, I'm not faking things. The way she was dressed and everything are up to top notch. Imagine guys, imagine. And thank you everybody who's supporting me in this journey. My God bless you, because it's not an easy thing. And thank you everybody who's supporting my sister and my brother join to school. My God bless you. My God bless you and give you longer life. So look what you have here. Last night it's raining, the rain of cats and dogs. Look, that's stagnant water. Okay. These videos, it's raw and uncut, from home up to school. All right, that is it. Bagi ni nzuri. Unajisikiaje? I'm asking my sister, how do you see your bag? Sister said, my bag's very nice, and I'm feel so happy. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay. And also on these videos, I'll join the rest of the videos while I'm escorting my young cousin to their home. I think on yesterday, you know, on yesterday's videos, I'll join it here. Yeah. So guys, we just back to the school section within here. There's a church right here. Other kids are sleeping. Kazana 12. That. Sister Chef already reached at school. Kimbi uende. Alright guys, right now that's how Nyabuhansi looks like. Wewe Wajakoya? Vipi? Oh my God. So I just pull up at the shoemaker here. Kuna viatu hapa. Nataka kuviweke gam. Nitakuonesha vile inakaa. You sit down here. This is the remaining. Yeah, itapasuka. Hey bro. Habari kadege mguu mmoja. This is a helipad, local helipad. Look at that. Haya. The good thing. And noise. So I want to show him how to put the gum. That's a truck. That's right there. Ona? Sunaona kwa hizi vitu tunaweka gum. Yote utakuwa tunapanu unaona penye zinafaa kuwekwa gum, si kushona hapo. Ah? Hauna gum? Hata mbona hauna?
Nimenyesha na mchukua mbaya.
Wapi? Wapi? Ni gamu, hizo sasa siwezi shona. And guys, I'll go with it in Border Town. Yule Bobo ako naye? So guys, here no option. I had to go in Border Town because no gum. No gum. Wapi? Huh? Si ni gamu ile ya viatu bana.
Gamu ya viatu ipo. Mimi yenye niko nayo si hiyo.
Wewe ni super guru. You see like,
na hii gamu ya kawaida tunaona.
You see like this, it's total mess. Okay guys, ama vitakagi maji si ndio? So what I decide, what I know, I realized this shoes, it doesn't like, you know, walking on a stagnant water or during raining time. So guys, it's a nice shoes by the way. Alright, we shall meet on the next vlog. Alright guys, I'm just over here. This is my baby. Oh, look at that truck passing there. So we normally use that one to deliver material. So people ask me, hello baby, what's up, what's up? You know, nowadays this is my log, and also it prevents my chest, you know. So let me say hello to Hosea, just on the Sunset Cave. Yeah, structure. JBL, all those names, they're on this side here. Huh? The owner of this place.
Karibu sana.
Asante sana mwanangu.
Yeah, vipi?
Mambo yanasonga shwari.
Yanasonga shwari.
Fresh. Fresh barida. So guys, I say it's fetching water here.
Yeah.
And yeah.
What's up guys? I am Hosea, coming live from the Sunset Cafe.
Yeah.
So,
this one here.
Yeah. So I'm just fetching the water.
Yeah.
For some of our activities.
Yes.
Cleanness. Water is life.
Yeah.
Water is important every single day. So yeah, we are proceeding. Continue subscribing.
This
Kenya. Oh, be careful.
This
Kenya. Yeah, Kenya, our country.
Wow.
Under the name of
Hosea. Jana mjuzi mlipigwa.
Ayo tunarudia tulibwa.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay guys. So I'm heading to get one of my friend there.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow, that's great.
Yeah.
I'm over here.
Okay, let me see what is going on this side here.
Okay, man.
All right. So I'm shooting the videos on Monday. Right now it's around I think 11, if I'm not wrong. 12:15. Oh, it's almost lunchtime. All right. So let's check how everything is on this side. You know, I gotta say hello to my friend right there. Okay. Yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Right now I'm just in Nyabanse village, you know, going around with my baby. Yeah. Look the sky. Today is a super calm day, you know. Yeah. So I see one of my friend here coming with a small kibandas, we call small business here. I don't know which kind of the business will be reopened here, but it is what it is. If you remember this gate, yeah, my friend, how was everything?
Everything is wow.
Wow.
I'm here creating this kibanda small, want to open for my own small business so that I can be busy.
Yeah.
Without sitting idle.
You open for who?
My wife.
For your fiance.
My love.
Fiance, your love.
Yes, my love.
For your in Spanish they say bonita, I think bonita. For your love.
Bonita.
Bonita.
Yes, now I'm creating here. I want it to be Jew.
Oh, you want to be on top?
I want to be on top
Okay,
so
man.
that I can pigiria there.
Yeah, hammering the nails on the iron sheets. Other people we called, because we learned the British words or British names or British English, so this we call iron sheet. But people from Caribbean, Jamaican, it's known as zinc. And also zinc, it's meant from the iron sheet. Let me show you guys. It's a small kibandas. Huh? Look at that, man. It's kuongelea. Ndio naenda kepa manyero. Kepa manyero.
Yeah.
Huh? I see nowadays you're the mason. Hey, hey. Hey, o sea. Huh? Ando kukonti como mama tengo.
Misi.
Umisi alingia nyuma haki.
Hano.
Yoba nagatemere nyuma haki. Alingia nyuma, hara wagatemere nyuma hano.
Sati anteme.
Oh, hey, good.
Hey.
No. Now they have got the building in your mamma, in your mouth. Hanoi. Eh, how I got the member of once. That's how you get out of riding in your monkey dog. Hey, yo. Real mason. Huh? Okay, guys, I need to be on down here as I wait. Hey. Bra, unanyonga? So guys, I'm still waiting my friend, and then now heading inside. We see what's popping. Joe, you know. So I will ask him which kind of the business he wants to open here. Maybe, you know, running of fish. Alright, we shall see on the next vlog. Hey. Baba, thank you, Montana. Sana kantu. Wow! Guys, I'm just over here. Handman. Huh? Hey, I'm telling you guys, that's how we do kibandaski in Africa. In our village, not Africa. Most Africa, we have kibandaski in our village here. You can see from a distance, also have kibandaski right there. Right there, I'm pointing. What next? Now guys, I'm a handman.
Coba miri di sini Honda itu, Honda itu. Kamu tuh kan asal itu siapa gambi kan? Jangan kan nanti kan siapa?
Which are passing with car. I'm telling you. You know, Ndagere kwe.
Hey. Mata tena kuruchi video na toge kuli vinto body. Ya piki.
If guys will remember, there's a day we bought some fun chairs for one of my friends right here. We fix everything, and I think right now when his wife arrived, she was very happy, very. Even men know how to arrange the house. I'm telling you, we know how to arrange the house, including me. Like I'm not perfect enough, you know. You know what I mean? Very easy there. Think about that kerenge.
Kero hana temo.
Then we fix the post right there. So guys, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe. This is your boy Hello Baby Official, and I'm grinding every day. So I wanna say sorry. Yesterday's videos, it has some errors, and some also copyrights. You know, YouTube have some restriction. You know, so anytime it give you like boom, boom. Asa gusto na ako.
Nande ngiga. Ntoro mo tehan. Kana kaba yake.
Takanga ono mura.
Nambe ngono ngongo tunanke. Bakani mukichimesha mimi.
Guys, we are building locally, no food, no nothing. We just use eyes to measure. Look at that. Use the panga. There. Neno so. 1, 2. Tengere kuyegoro haki. Hayo.
Sababu ili simu
Wagwan man. And then we fixed here. Right here. Boom. Ay. Harang nyo yung gote bir.
Bakatusui.
Wakambiga wo. Nakantoka ukantu puchwa. Alright guys, I think we shall meet on the next vlog, so see you later guys. So guys, I'm picking my shoes here. Say hello once again.
Guys, you are here.
Yeah.
It's Brother. You've just come to pick some of the shoes.
Yes.
Hello Baby Official.
Show them how I pick my shoes guys.
Yeah, man.
So this is my shoes here. I just came at the phone. Yes. Jiko.
Okay.
So guys, this is my shoes. If you remember in the morning I went to Nyabohanse, the guy refused, you know, like no glue. I don't know. I decided to come in Border Town.
Okay.
And I will normally buy mattress right here. Show them.
Yeah, man.
Yes. Mimi Zaza. Going to Europe, I'm ready.
Okay.
See that the shoes. Not only this.
In like the whole pair of it.
Wambie, see
Yeah.
Forex.
Not Forex?
See Sim too.
Yeah.
Wambie.
Anyway, that's how life it is.
Okay, you can see the shoemaker right here.
guys,
tunashona viatu. Yes.
the experts.
Yeah.
And those are the
If your shoes white, brown,
different
blue,
kind of
yeah. Any. Alright guys, let's see you later. Yange kotenga tengu kumiri. Yemkiri goro. Go. Nyumba. Guys, it's all about to rain, but anyway, I'm outside right now, full combat. So I have the helmet, but the issue is it doesn't fit on my head. This one that you see here, and then it's a fake one, plastic. So the best you can do, I'm trying to look the best one. So this is my bike with my helmet, chest guard. Right now here, one more time, I have my mama. So guys, on these videos, I'm escorting my cousin all the way to Masaba, and then she just over here. Uwe, Mahera, no ni vitabu? Eh? Una vitabu? Uwe? Guys, I'm asking them whether they have some books, because tomorrow they wanna open the school, and then Biki unazo? Eh? Okay guys, I'm going to make some little shopping for them, and then as they go with my mama right now. Let's go, ma'am. Say hello.
Hello.
Unaitwa nani?
Rebecca Gadi.
Rebecca Gadi. Guys, I'm asking her name. Her name is Rebecca Gadi. This one. You?
Hello. My name is Alfonsina Nyanokwe.
Alfonsina Nyanokwe. Guys, when we oh no. Have a look, guys. The same face. So we are family, guys, family members. And also when we stand mom and congrat dad, the same face. All right, it's 20. It's all about time to go. This tricky situation. So I have 10 USD, so I can make shopping for them as they enjoy. Hey, this struggle. This struggle. See that? Oh my god. So right here, guys, I don't want to film any video. So my work is to wear the helmet, this one here, because most of you say, hello baby, where is your helmet? I'm telling you, it doesn't fit my head. So what should I do when something it doesn't fit my head? You see how I look like? Shagala bagala. Let's Alright guys, we shall meet on the next video at Nyabohanse. Stay tuned. Guys, right now I'm in shop. Vitabu mbi? Simama hapa. Vitabu gani? A4 ama vile vifupi? Mnanipa A4 ni shilingi ngapi? Kuna peji gani? Leta zote. So in some pages. Guys, me what I reward for them, it's books, pen. So I'm the guy over education. Me like in future, back years, I never have like good education. So when I see a young cousin, automatically I know when the school have been open. They need books, pen, pencils.
120 na 48.
96 ni shilingi ngapi?
Ni 70.
70. Maths ni vingapi unataka? Na mnafanya subject ngapi? 9. Aya, nipe 6 hizi. Za mwandiko nipe 5. Hiyo ingine utajitegemea sasa. Raiku guri? So guys, this is a lot.
Nimebaki mbili.
Eh?
Ndivyo ni mbili.
Hauna vitabu?
Nimebaki mbili hizi mwandiko.
Na yule uliaje hapo? Haya, unaunga ngano?
Iko.
Nipe sasa sina na vitabu. Hesabu iko. Nipe. Tanua zingine mbele kwa mbele. Leta rahi. Leta ndogo, shika hii. So we are missing some books here. So we are going to the next shop. Leta na box weke hapa hapa. Nitakwambia vitu unaweka ndani. Eh? Kalango zaka kale. That's what. Yeah. Ke?
Grade 5.
Oh, ni biki yako tomera?
Ivinene 48.
Mbona kuna 48?
48.
Leta sasa.
Mwandiko.
Hata 48 kwa tomera. Haya. Leta ya mwandiko ine na hesabu. Yes? Guys, it is what it is. You know. So it's our last day to say goodbye. Hesabu iko si ndio? 2, 3, 4, 5. Aya, nipatie na biki mbili, shika. Hiyo ni cheni ni vya huyu. Guys, now I'm missing this. Na red pen. Nipatie na blue mbili. Black iko. Nipatie black pen moja. Na black pen mbili, red pen mbili. Leta. Tuachanganye. So guys, we need red pen, blue pen and black pen, you know. So because I do like this 3. Ato ngutu mero pen. Taho ichi. Alright guys, imekuwa ngapi? Aya, nipatie na unga. Unga ni shilingi ngapi? 90. Nipatie kubwa moja. Acha tuone. Si inalingana bei tu bado.
Hizo kubwa ni 190.
Nipe basi ndogo mbili. Udiweke kwa box tofauti. Juu hawa. Ama utaweka kwa box moja. Hivyo. So this flour. Alright guys, right now we are heading to my aunt's place, far away from my home, and I'm trying my best, man. So I don't know whether you can hear my voice. It's because of the helmet, so I'm heading this way. So today is a super calm day. You can see people are outside, and we are moving like that. So there's a truck right there. They've been stuck there for a long time. So here we go. At the same time, I'm going to reunite with my aunt after a long time ago. Look at that. Let me know on the comment section what you think about on this video. But for me, I'm pushing. You know, I'm on no shot. Look at this. Right? Heading to another village, man. So when I'm passing here, I see a nice house. I hope so you guys will be able to see that right here. See that house having shape? Okay. It's still moving, man. That's my bike, man. So guys, I don't want to film a lot. I think this is enough for me and for you. So we shall meet at my aunt's place. At my aunt's place, guys. Stay tuned. Guys, we just back at my aunt, this place, and we meet with her on the road. Unfortunately, she was coming, you know. So this is her space, all where she was calling home. It's very far from my home. Even my bike, it's very hot. I never touched the engine. Look there. You see? Even when you throw there the saliva, it's doing like shh. So let me check the time, guys, because I had another stuff to do at my home. So they were very happy. If you are not connected na bire bituva 9. Karamu mchague zinafanana zote. Wembire ngona. I'm telling you, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you? Wewe ngapi?
5.
Sutakuja ongeza na venye uko nayo. 5. Alright guys, so me I have some small amount on my pocket. So because they were leaving immediately, so I decided to share with them books, because tomorrow is on Monday. They will open their school and then crank, no books, no pen. No, I decided, you know, to give them some books and also some small shopping, you know, guys. So right now I'm blocked. Even I don't know how to say with my aunt, but story from another day. So I'm still waiting her. Damaganyach nero nentero sinera kenyembi ngo wagut. Yeah. So I need to lock my bike because okay guys, let me lock I'm telling you, I will use some, let me say less than 1 hour, and then boom. That's papaya right here. If you are Jamaican, also I know the papaya roots also treats some disease. Guys, that's my aunt right here. Eh? Tenda bangani mo tango ni aunt.
Mano, itu tuh atau cuma tuh kalah.
Atanta. Bohen.
Ikanke.
Yeah. Habari. Yeah. Ngeni hiro mota kubuke gari.
Auntie.
Tabude bana bakibere makinyiri wonchera.
Ne manyiri kanku kikinyori konuru.
Hata digani aunt.
Ne kanku kikinyori murutu.
Guys, it's raining time. Look. I'll say Kirisan. So guys, I'm freezing outside here and I'm rushing to go back home. So there's some things I need to sort out. Antes se mete borongi kichuchu. Eram beitire. Wiki nkagori yende. Anti von. Awuli sere ukaribu. Guys, because it's too dark, my aunt served me here. Hey, this tea. Aya, kono nene tabu na main. Aya plus. Chato no mani.
Ano bohe?
Thank you. Guys, it's time to leave at my aunt's place. Bye, aunt. Say bye.
Bye.
Okay, that's my aunt. So we shall meet on tomorrow's vlog. These are random videos. Alright guys, we are coming at the end of these videos, and right now I'm just on this area, so you can tell guys, look, people are developing here. So as you watch these videos, let me know what you think about on these videos. Remember to subscribe to my channel. Lots of success. And also guys, I'm on the process of buying material here and there, things like cement, steel bar. We just only those stuff. So far so good. When I see other places develop, man, I feel so good. And also I get motivated, from one of my people here around the village. Look, so I'm going close to that perimeter wall, and then I'll show you. So for them, they're deciding to build a hidden roof, So look, I'm thinking guys, when I'm going to build my house, I'll do the key. This is what we call the key, because I have the blocks like this. I'm thinking using the key. What do you think? My suggestion, should I do like this for my mama outside, and the inside we paint? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Look, that's a massive project. So yeah, the goats are sleeping here. Got matata. Look at these goats. you know. Wow. So these places are really they're very low. You can tell on the videos, even on the comment section. From this side here, also on other side we have the estates, upcoming one. You see right there, man. These are massive. These are massive, man. You know, in our village here, we're so blessed. We're so blessed, man. We're so blessed. You know. Wow. Kids are coming from school, and then it reminds me on today's vlog I was taking my sister back to school, and they have been resumed back to school again. So like 8 weeks, things have been okay. So just going this way. Baby, say hello.
Hello.
Yes, that's a hey, that's small. She's from this place, you know. So this is another estate, man. People are investing, you know, in terms of building, man. These are massive estates. You can see from this side here. Wow, there are school bus, all a school van, whichever the case. So, yeah, I was feeling one of the guy there. That's the napier grass right here. You can't tell. People having cows here. Wow. Let's move, guys. There is one of the house I was admired on other side, right there, between this and this, right, the black iron sheet. You know, I was thinking on that house plan. So anyway, guys, as you watch these videos, please remember to subscribe, share, like, and also drop the sweet comments. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official Show. Nowadays I'm a kind of this, you know, chest guard. It's protect my chest from heavy, like cold and also windy, you know. Wow, guys, wow. So I'm happy. Today my brother and my sister have been joined to school for the 3rd term, and also this week, I think on Thursday or Friday, my brother will also going to university, and I need to pay for him my rent. Imagine, guys, it's because of you, and also you supporting me here and there. My family will, you know, like depend on me, everything, and I'm trying my best. I can't complain on that. So I think when I get $150, it can finish my brother's you know, budget, and also paying the rent, you know. So I'm trying to grind so hard to achieve my goal, and also to chase my dream outside here, you know, in terms of you know, building mama dream house and everything. It's by God's grace, and at the same time I want to say thank you so much for everybody who's supporting me. So I want to see my brother join to school, you know, 2nd year. So when he finished this year, I think he will remain with 2 years, let me say 1 year, and then the last year is to graduate. And also, guys, also you will put a smile, like Hello Baby, you try your best. Say hello.
Hello.
Yes, there's some students right here. Shule yule itwaje? Goshen?
PhD.
PhD? Yes. All right. Ya Maharaga PhD. Najiongeresh? They're asking me who I'm speaking with. I'm telling them I'm speaking by myself. Okay, guys, let me sit here. Right there, that's my bike, and it helped me a lot going around. So, guys, I can't wait to see my brother. I think 2027, we wanna say goodbye. I think 2027 to 2028. I wanna celebrate my brother graduation with you guys. So right now, he was remaining with some few things here and there, like, you know, paying the rent. And actually for him, he was working so hard, you know, having like rented the land because he was planting maize, and then we sell that maize. We paid the rest of the money like per semester, you know. So that money we use in terms of our school fees. So to be honest, 150 USD to finish the issues of my brother. Look at this dog here. Hey friend, you good? No, stop it. I'm not afraid of a dog, imagine. So anyway guys, we shall meet on the next video, which is tomorrow, and share my videos to your family. This is your boy. Hello Baby Official, guys. So bye bye.